Welcome. In front of me is the UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. To get started, we'll need to hold power key. When you see the boot options, simply hold power off. This will in turn bring up this window right here, telling you that reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So this mode is basically used to test if some kind of app is causing your phone problems. So if your battery is draining too quick, or your device is lagging, or basically doing something that you're not used to, then you can put it into safe mode, see if that problem persists. If it doesn't, then that means that you have just installed some kind of malicious app. But if it does, then that means that, well, your device's hardware is just busted. So let's wait for it to actually boot into safe mode, which is clearly distinguishable by, well, this marking right over here, safe mode. So obviously we're right now in safe mode, and also you can see that the not notifications but the widgets aren't working in this mode. So that is how you boot into it. And now once you're done with it and you want to leave the safe mode, simply hold power key and this time tap on restart, and once the device boots back up, it will be then back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.